Hi, welcome to back my channel. In this review, I tested 5 6-foot to 6.0 6.5-foot trees across a price spectrum from budget to premium to analyze realism, tip density, PE plus PVC composition, and branch articulation, build quality, setup experience, and overall value, price per torqued benefit, longevity potential. Product number 1. 6-foot artificial Christmas tree with 1413 PE. This 6-foot unlit tree pool model uses a premium PE plus PVC blend with 1413 tips to deliver a dense, spruce-like silhouette. The tree arrives with hinged branches in 3 sections and a foldable metal base, designed for durable year-after-year use. With a sizable tip count, it aims to approach the fullness of a natural spruce while remaining assembly-friendly for households that want a blank canvas for their own lighting scheme. In practice, the tree benefits from the robust metal hinges and a stable base, which minimizes woggle. The lack of built-in lights means you have full control over ornament placement and cord management, but it also requires more planning if you want a luminous display. The 3,529 tip count noted in the spec suggests a very full appearance, though fluffing time, 30 to 60 minutes, is typical for premium unlit trees to achieve even density and natural branch sag. Product number 2. Decoway 6-foot artificial Christmas tree. Unlit green Xmas pine with pine cones. Decoway presents a 6-foot unlit tree featuring 896 branches and 36 pine cones, built on a sturdy metal stand. The unlit construction is consistent with the brand's emphasis on a versatile display canvas, allowing users to tailor their lighting and ornament arrangement. Dimensions suggest a compact footprint, 41.3 inches diameter, suitable for mid-sized rooms, porches, or entryways. Performance-wise, the PVC composition is flame retardant and the metal base provides stability for heavier ornament sets. The pine cone accents deliver a more rustic, nature-inspired look that can complement traditional holiday decor. Assembly is designed to be family-friendly with 3 tree sections, but the unlit configuration may require more planning for lighting setups. In practical terms, this tree excels as a decor-first option for customers who want to emphasize texture and pine cone embellishments, rather than a dense, ultra-full evergreen silhouette. Product number 3. National Tree Company 4.5-foot unlit Dunhill fir artificial Christmas tree. This is a shorter 4.5-foot option from National Tree Company featuring 2,514 tips to create a stylized, full Dunhill fir silhouette. It uses hinged branches with a drop-down setup and includes a durable metal base. Although smaller in height, the density of tips helps compensate for perceived scale, making it a viable option for tabletops, small rooms, or apartments where ceiling height or space is at a premium. The Dunhill fir emphasizes lifelike texture with hundreds of individually crafted tips. Setup is designed for quick assembly with 45 to 60 minutes of shaping, and the hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles offer peace of mind for households with kids or pets. The 4.5-foot size makes it a practical alternative for fans of National Tree Company's build quality who need a compact footprint without sacrificing fullness. Product number 4. National Tree Company 6-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree. This 6-foot pre-lit North Valley spruce from National Tree Company features 300 clear lights, hinged branches, and 800 branch tips. It is designed to deliver a traditional, warm glow with a ready-made lighting solution. With a 39-inch base dimension and a 72-inch height, it's a balanced option for mid to large rooms seeking a luminous focal point with a natural-looking silhouette. Performance-wise, pre-lit trees save setup time and ensure consistent illumination. The 300 clear lights provide a classic holiday ambiance, while the hinged branches simplify setup and storage. The tree's PVC construction and flame-retardant properties enhance longevity and safety. The main trade-off versus other premium options is the fixed number and color of lights, which reduces customization flexibility but improves reliability and ease of use for users who want a plug-and-play experience. Product number 5. 6-foot artificial Christmas tree. This CRS-TAFU model is a 6-foot spruce-inspired artificial tree boasting 1,000 tips, a foldable base, and a pull-down branch feature. The brand emphasizes metal branches and a sturdy stand, with PVC leaves described as durable, non-fading, and odor-free. The tree aims to combine fullness with practical storage efficiency and a mid-range price point of $69.99. In use, the tree delivers a recognized balance between density and ease of assembly. The 1,000 tips are fewer than some high-density competitors, but with a well-executed fluff and proper branch shaping, it can achieve a convincing silhouette. The pull-down branch feature simplifies storage, which is a notable convenience for renters or seasonal decorators who swap displays yearly. The lack of built-in lights means you need to select your own lighting strategy, which can be an opportunity for customization or a challenge for those seeking plug-and-play simplicity.